Good day, my beautiful people, my VEE Pride. I hope you're doing great. As I've mentioned on my other channel, this channel is going to be all things law, but this doesn't mean you should expect me to be too formal, guys. As you can see, this is not a courtroom and neither is it my office. So I'm just going to be basically giving advice to my family and friends here, not my clients. And by subscribing to this channel, it means you're part of the friendship or the family, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Guys, if you don't know me, you can call me V. I'm an admitted attorney of the High Court and also the director of Chipumuro V Attorneys. If you're interested in any other part of my life except this one, you can check out my other channel. I'll leave the link down below. It's called VEE DEN. So guys, I've been thinking a lot of how I should start this channel, and I didn't want to do a get to know me because there's already another channel where I basically share with you guys about myself. So what other way to start this particular channel than sharing with you guys 5 things that I wish I knew before studying law? So stay tuned. The first point is the fact that you don't have to be talkative to be a competent lawyer. Guys, as you all know me, I'm a very reserved person. I don't like socializing. And before, I used to think that this is a weakness because everyone around me told me that the first requirement of being a lawyer is being talkative. You should be able to come up with a conversation with anyone you meet. And guys, this is not true. The only things that you need is confidence and the ability to communicate. That's it. You don't need to be talking all the time. You know, guys, when I was in university, there were people who used to talk in class. They used to speak even when they don't have to, which is a good thing because, well, I guess it does build your confidence, but sometimes it was just not necessary, guys, because remember, you went to varsity to learn, and most of those people sometimes they forget to listen, they forget to take in, they just want to take out all the time. So don't forget to pay attention, don't forget to listen, don't forget to think, don't just talk all the time. Sometimes you don't have to talk, even in court, guys. You don't have to talk all the time. Sometimes it's a good idea, it's the best decision to just keep quiet because you find yourself incriminating your client someday. So guys, what I'm trying to say is it doesn't matter whether you're talkative or not. It has nothing to do with the profession. It won't make you either the worst or the best lawyer. And guys, I'm not saying that when the lecturer asks you questions, you should keep quiet. Actually, it's a good thing to interact in class. Please answer those questions. What I'm saying is you don't have to talk too much and say things unnecessarily. You don't have to do that to prove that you're a good lawyer. The second point is that the law that you're taught in varsity is not very practical. Some of the books are outdated, and I mean, 70% of the law that you need to practice, I'm telling you, you will learn out of varsity. So this brings me to the third point, which is as a lawyer, you are going to be studying for the rest of your life. So they are not lying when they say the law keeps changing. It changes all the time, and you always have to be up to date with everything. So I feel like varsity is a perfect time to accumulate knowledge because you have all the resources, you have the time, you have the library. So don't just study to pass an exam, just study to invest in yourself, to know the law, and most importantly, to know where to find the law. The fourth point is when you're on your second year, you should also be thinking of what you're going to do after varsity. If you can apply for articles, then please do so. If you can do vocational work, do so. And just research on what to do after varsity and prepare for that, because child, it's tough out there. You will graduate and sit at home for years. It won't be nice. It's happening, and I am a victim of that, and I don't want anyone to experience that. The fifth point is, guys, if you wanna get rich quickly, underline the word quickly, ne? Don't study law. Do not dare study law if you want to get rich quickly, because it's a very long process, a very long one that most people even give up on their way. So I'm not going to explain further on this right now. I'm going to do a separate video on the whole process. But just know that if you are a get rich quick person, this is not your place, this is not your profession. Just drop it. One last thing, guys, this is not to scare you. It is possible to succeed as a lawyer. You just need patience, passion, and perseverance, and I promise you, you will definitely succeed. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Talking about subscribing, there were some people asking me how much it costs to subscribe. Guys, it doesn't cost anything. You're not going to lose anything if you subscribe and turn on the notification button. You're just going to get notified every time I post a video. That's it. You are not going to lose anything, so please do subscribe. I love you guys. Mwah.